Good morning everyone and welcome to another day in the life of Joanna. Today me and my boyfriend are off to Ingleton Waterfall Trail. So I might film a bit of that. I'm going to try and get a little bits and bobs, but I don't think there's going to be too much filming today, so it might only be a short one. But it's a really nice place where we're going, so I'm definitely going to get some clips for you. Reese has just nipped into the co-op to get us some snacks for our little trip today. Little walk. We're going to try and have a picnic while we're walking because everything might be quite busy, so we'll just eat it while we're walking.
Basically just gonna go.
That one you can see in the distance is Pecker Falls.
Pecker, and your little Pecker.
Pecker Falls. This one here is called Holly Bush Spout. Sat down on a rock. Let's have some food. I'm knackered, are you?
No.
Peace.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go all the way up there. This one here is that one, Thornton Force. I know. So nice. Reese has decided he wants to trek along these little rocks, and me as the clumsiest person ever will fall. I can see it coming. Do you get anything to say?
No.
I am knackered. I'm literally knackered. Shut up.
That didn't do me any good.
Daddy. I really want a dog. This one is number 4, which is Beasley Falls. So nice. Yeah.
What is it now?
Baxengill Gorge. Oh wow. I just nearly tripped up. Snow Falls. This is the last major waterfall on the trail.
No, it's clean in the water. It went that way. Turn now. Just cross that.
Back in the village of Ingleton. What do you think of the walk, Reese?
That was good.
It's good, not bad for £9, is it?
£8 each.
£8 each. Not bad.
Yeah.
That's my dad's filled the conservatory with plants. So back home from our walk now. Such a nice walk. I definitely recommend it if you're in the North Lancashire, South Cumbria, North Yorkshire area. Definitely recommend it. It's absolutely beautiful walk. It's £8 per person, which isn't bad, I don't think. That includes parking and entrance to the trail. A lot of the pathway all the way around is uneven surface. like really rocky and lots of tree roots, so I definitely recommend taking some decent walking shoes. I took my wellies and they did the job perfectly. As I just literally, whenever I'm walking at all, anywhere that's muddy or involves a path, I always have my wellies on. Horse rider girl. And there's toilets and cafes like pumped all the way around it, so if you ever need a wee halfway through, anything like that, there's always somewhere to stop. And say cafe serving food and drinks, if you get hungry or thirsty, there's always somewhere to stop. So that's why it's so perfect. And it was just genuinely such a nice walk. It's been quite a while since I filmed my last clip, but that's just because I've either not had my phone on me or I've just been like too busy and not really thought about it. So after we got back, we literally just chilled for an hour and then went to my sister's and we got a chippy tea. And then we literally came back. I finished editing yesterday's vlog and then uploaded it, and then we just watched Grey's Anatomy. So nothing really worth filming apart from me watching TV. Nobody really wants to see that. So I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for the love and support, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like, and go and follow all my social media. And I will leave you there because I'm going to go to sleep. Although I say I'm going to go to sleep, what I'll actually do is get in bed and watch YouTube for the next hour. So yeah, that's my night. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you hopefully soon.